bread duo.
Today we're teaching you how to make soft pretzels.
This is part of our 3-hour bread series where we show you that bread can be made quickly and still be delicious.
Honestly, this is one of the fastest recipes we've ever done. I think it took us like under an hour to do it. So we hope you enjoy and you make it often.
You better do it.
You better.
Okay. So to get started, you're going to take 345 grams of warm water and mix it with about 6 grams of instant yeast to dissolve the yeast.
Then go ahead and pour 8 grams of brown sugar, 4 grams of salt, and 7 grams of melted butter into the stand mixer. And please attach the dough hook.
Please, we beg of you. Next, you'll combine the water and yeast mixture into the stand mixer and begin to knead so that all the ingredients will mix together. And then you'll slowly add 500 grams of all-purpose flour so that the flour starts to incorporate with the liquid ingredients slowly without doing it all at once.
You'll keep kneading it for about 5 minutes on the stand mixer at a medium speed until it is stacky but not as stuck to the sides of the bowl.
If you need to add like a little bit of extra flour, that's totally okay too. After your dough is done kneading, let it rest for 10 minutes under a tea towel. In the meantime, set up your baking soda water bath.
For that, you're going to need 9 cups of water and 40 grams of baking soda, and you will bring that water to a boil.
In order to form your pretzels, you'll begin by taking the dough out of the bowl and forming a log so that you can separate the dough out into about 12 even-ish pieces.
Then we went ahead and we shaped them, but Chris is going to give the explanation of this because I'm apparently not good.
So the thing is, Marianne is better at shaping them, but I'm better at saying the words. So watch her do it and listen to me say it. So in order to form a pretzel, you'll basically take one of your dough balls and roll it out so it's about 15 inches long, and then you'll take the 2 ends of the dough and meet them in the middle, cross them twice, and then pull them down over the center of your dough.
So after you've shaped all your pretzels, we went ahead and boiled them for about 30 seconds in the baking soda bath. You're going to notice that the pretzels are going to start forming kind of like a skin on top of them, and they're going to look really gross, but they're doing fine. Don't worry about it.
They're doing great, sweetie. They look like wrinkly skin, like they just look fleshy, but when you bake them, they're going to get cute.
So then you should take them out and instantly sprinkle anything you want on it. We went ahead and put everything bagel seasoning because we are obsessed with everything bagel seasoning.
And salt is for chumps.
Yeah. After this, we preheated the oven. I don't know how much.
400 degrees Fahrenheit.
What do you say?
Next, we preheated the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
Then we placed the pretzels inside. I don't know what the timing was either.
Okay, I got this part. We preheated the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and then baked the pretzels for about 12 minutes until they were golden brown on the outside.
Then they're ready to enjoy. If you enjoy these 3-hour series videos,
if you've been watching me and Marianne suck at recording our voices over and over and over again, like and subscribe to our channel. Okay, but actually,
if you enjoy our videos, make sure you like and subscribe. And please let us know if there's anything you would want to see next in the 3-hour bread series.
Because our channel is small and sad. Wait, how many likes should we aim for this time? 4 likes.
We can't put that in our video, that's so bad. Make us reach our goal of 100 likes.
100 likes, we're gonna get 100 views. If you like our videos and you want to see more, please subscribe to our channel. And since our channel is small and sad right now, help us reach our goal of 10 likes on this video.
100. Please tell your friends and family
You're
to
just
like.
setting yourself up for disappointment.
No, you need to aim for the stars and
10
land
likes.
in the moon.
Thank you.
I said backwards.
Yeah, what did you say? You said reach for the stars and you'll land on the moon.
Is the other way around?
No, I mean neither phrase makes sense. It's supposed to be like shoot for the stars even if, shoot for the moon, even if you miss you'll land among the stars.
But the stars are further
Yeah,
away.
the stars are so much further away. I hate that phrase, but it's on like every
I
magnet.
hate it too. The point is, help us reach our goal of 100 likes. Thank you, like and subscribe.